All right, that is ice. It's February 23rd. We had to take Champ to the vet this morning. Nothing was happening. By 8:30 it started kind of light rain. By 9 o'clock it was straight snow, ice, pellets, and that's what's falling. We just got home. We threw a tarp over the windshield because we'll probably have to go get Champ here in a little while, but I'll zoom in. You can see the ice pellets bouncing around. We got about a ½ inch already, and that's in less than 30 minutes. And it was 21 degrees this morning when we got up. So the ground was already good and cold, so no melt. It just, as soon as it fell, it stuck. Anyway, we'll see how bad it gets. I hope it ain't sticking to the tree limbs. That's where you have trouble. You get freezing rain. That's the rain that lands on cold objects, freeze, and everything gets encased in ice. Power lines get heavy, trees get heavy, we go without power. So far this looks like sleet. And that's what we're hoping it stays that way. Anyway, little snow update. Follow it up with rain. That's what'll put the power lines down. .4:30 and it's still mist and rain, below freezing, and it's not turning to snow for some reason. Anyways, take a look at that tree there. The bird feeder's hanging in. There's old Champ. See how them limbs are getting all white? That's ice. You're going to start hearing tree limbs breaking if this keeps up.